So this is for Jeff, and this is for Pete.
Thank you very much.
And did you want to quickly say something?
Not today, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, John is going to deliver the letters to the executives. Thank you, John.
NBC,
and Mark.
do the right thing.
NBC, do the right thing.
NBC,
Do the right thing! NBC, do the right thing! NBC, do the right thing!
NBC, do the right thing! NBC, only get on TV!
Broadcaster's letter, which is signed by 200 human rights groups in solidarity with the No Beijing Winter Olympics Games movement, which is happening globally as we speak, just like we did earlier today. Other human rights groups in New York, big cities like Paris, rest of the world, are delivering these letters to the media companies. So we are here, an organization which is a coalition of 12 human rights groups. We join here to tell media companies like NBC and obviously to Beijing to not host the Winter 2022 Olympic Games, and also NBC to not show the Olympic Games, mainly because by showing these games, NBC would be complicit and would legitimize the atrocious human rights record perpetrated on the Tibetans, on the Uyghurs, the Kazakhs, the Uzbeks, the Southern Mongolians, the Taiwanese, and the Hong Kongers. So I urge NBC to not telecast the Winter Games, because if you did, then you'll be complicit with what China is doing. Citizens of the world have woken up to the truth about the Chinese Communist doctrine of concealment, co-option, and coercion. Leaders around the world, with this awakening, they have been able to put a strong stand against the CCP bully. No human rights, no games.
No human rights, no games!
No human rights, no games.
No human rights, no games!
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to the Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans!
Stop the torture in Tibet.
Stop the torture in Tibet!
Stop the torture in Tibet.
Stop the torture in Tibet!
Stop the torture in Tibet.
Stop the torture in Tibet!
Stop the genocide in Tibet.
Stop the genocide in Tibet!
Stop the genocide in Tibet.
Stop the genocide in Tibet!
Stop the genocide in Tibet.
Stop the genocide in Tibet!
Free all political prisoners now.
Free all political prisoners now!
Free all political prisoners now.
Free all political prisoners now!
Free all political prisoners now.
Free all political prisoners now!
Free Tibet.
Free Tibet!
Free Hong Kong.
Free Hong Kong!
Free Hong Kong.
Free Hong Kong!
Free East Turkestan.
Free East Turkestan!
Free East Turkestan.
Free East Turkestan!
Free Uyghurs.
Free Uyghurs!
Free Uyghurs.
Not promote the Chinese government's propaganda campaign. We demand that they drop their agreement and accurately portray the human rights violation instead. We call NBC to join our coalition to end the human rights violation, stop China, or take comparable steps.
This is completely wrong. And we cannot stand by and pretend that we're stones. We are rock. We have a family. We know the truth. Just like the Dintsik Munlam prayer the Tibetan people sing, like we sung here just a little while ago. There's truth. And inside truth must be love, must be mother-loving kindness. I saw the Chinese soldiers, what they did to a Tibetan monk when I was 11 years old. He had tortured this monk by tying his arms behind his back and tying him to the ceiling and then lighting a fire underneath him. And he had to live hung with the fire underneath him for 3 days, suffering unimaginable back pain. Later he escaped. My wife's great-grandfather, my great-grandfather-in-law, he was shot in the head just for saying Om Mani Padme Hum. the prayer to the Buddha of love and compassion. Now, on the other hand, now we have Mao Zedong, we got Deng Xiaoping, we got Hu Jintao, we got Jiang Zemin, we got the worst dictator that we could possibly even get even worse now is this current one, Xi Jinping, otherwise known Winnie the Pooh.